Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KingKie, and today I'm in the kitchen with
Big Riz,
my best friend, and we're gonna be preparing a meal for y'all today. So, Riz, I don't know what you're gonna be cooking.
all right, I'm gonna be cooking the cabbage, and in the cabbage we're gonna put the sausage, the bacon, and the turkey necks. Gotta have the turkey necks.
Smoked turkey necks. So we're gonna be making some smothered cabbage, and then I'm gonna make some cornbread and some smothered chicken. Now the smothered chicken is gonna be the same process as the smothered pork chops I made on my channel maybe last week or wherever I post that video. So if you want to know like the full details of the seasonings I'm gonna use on the chicken, watch that video. It's gonna be the same thing. So yeah, we just gonna get it popping.
Yeah, I'm about to do my ditty.
So Riz, tell them what you're doing.
Yeah, we're about to wash the cabbage. Where my cutting board at, Mom?
Oh, I moved it.
Yeah, don't do that. Cause she's trying to be in my business.
Lord, she doing the most. She on that drink.
So yeah, cut the cabbage. I cut it in the 4. I took that part off right there. You're gonna be throwing away a lot. Excuse me, that hotline blink. Back in the building.
God. Oh.
I told you that hotline blink. Yeah, I washed my hands and I came back to you. Yeah, so we're gonna cut it into 4. Like so, like so. I don't think it, oh yeah, they can see it. And then you take that core out of there. Throw that away.
Alright, so basically what she was saying was she already cut her cabbage up. Now she gonna take it to a pot where she gonna brown all the meat that she put in it. So we're gonna be putting smoked turkey necks, sausage, and bacon. So she gonna brown all of that up first and render all that fat and stuff out of the meat. So when we put the cabbage in, it's gonna bring flavor to the cabbage. So you know, she chopping up the sausage right now.
I need some music in here.
You can't play music on a YouTube video.
Yeah, you're right. You're right, shit.
Sorry, partner.
Ugh.
Wow, that's good. You throwing that away?
I put it in there for you, chef.
She crazy. That good fat. Oh, gonna render all that good flavor. She trying to cut all the fat off the bacon and throw it away.
Man, I'm in my zone.
Okay.
Back at you. And I'm just gonna transfer my sausage and bacon into the pot. You don't need any grease because you know sausage and bacon makes its own grease. Yeah, because I'm really showing her how to cook cabbage too.
Man,
That
what? First of all, I was going to do the video by myself, first of all.
Because she capping.
Alright, so now I'm just about to chop up some seasoning. So I'm going to chop up some bell pepper and some onions.
I'm the type of cook, I don't know if I stay over my fire. I don't care what I'm cooking. I stay in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm about to add my turkey neck.
Sound like Robert for real.
Cute.
Period.
And look like them too.
Social media clowning on niggas. We remember he's up to 300,000 on niggas. Yeah, all that. So I'll be right with you. Cause he up to 300,000 on niggas.
He's up.
That's what I said.
But what are you up to?
$200-300 on niggas.
Yo, I'm talking about my hair. I know it's fixed up at like he's doing this little.
Why do we keep doing that? Like, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like whoop, like no, go do. What the fuck?
I ain't lying. She gonna call me over every weekend to cook this.
Girl.
She gonna be on my trip.
Like you was on mine, how I made that okra? Nigga called my phone the next week. So what you do after you do that, Keith?
Yeah, she like, yep, this is how you gonna feel.
Alright, so now I'm about to wash the chicken. We got some legs. This is not thighs, they big enough to be thighs. But I'm gonna wash the chicken with some vinegar. Alright, so now I'm going to get ready to brown my chicken. So I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil in the bottom of my pan. And I'm gonna turn my eye on about 8, keep it high, because I want the chicken to get brown really quick. So we're gonna let the pot get hot and then I'm gonna add the chicken. So you usually let it get hot until like when you put the chicken down you hear a little sizzle. That's when you know it's ready. So now I've been letting my fire get hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken to brown. You hear the sizzle? That's how you know it's ready. Browning meat is literally what it says. I think I told y'all this before. You're just gonna let it turn brown on one side, flip it over, let it turn brown on the other side.
What I'm about to do is start gradually adding my cabbage into here, because all of it's not gonna fit at one time. So I'm gonna let some smother down and I'm gonna add some more, you know.
And the key to get it to wilt is to keep a top on it, because the steam is not gonna leave out. The top is gonna trap the steam in and help it wilt faster. So the same way I'm smothering the chicken, it's kind of basically the same process of smothering cabbage.
Kind of, sort of, but we're not drowning.
Okay, so while my chicken is browning, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my cornbread. So I like to use the Jiffy mix. Jiffy is the best. Don't let nobody tell you different. I pretty much follow all of the directions on the box. The only thing that I change is I add butter in mine. Add melted butter in it. I'm telling you, it'll be 10 times better. Oh, and I also add sugar. You got to add sugar. I forgot that the box don't call for sugar. That's how much a staple it is to add the sugar to your cornbread. And that's on period. So I'm just doing 2 boxes. So I'm going to need 2 eggs. I think 2/3 cup of milk. And then butter and sugar. So somehow I lost the other clip. I'm not really sure how. But I just added 1/3 cup of sugar and 2/3 stick of butter. Okay, so now I already added all of the mix to my pan, and I'm gonna put my pan in the oven on 325, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. The box says 400 for 15 to 20 minutes, but I cook my stuff on 325 and I eyeball it. So yeah. Now y'all can get a little update on the cabbage.
What's going on over here? Okay, so now I'm about to start adding my seasoning to my cabbage. I done put all the cabbage in. It's all smothering down. Yeah, y'all can see. Y'all got a good look what's going on in the pot. No measurements, like I said. I'm just.
So that's onion powder she's adding.
Right, onion powder.
That's Finny in the background squeaking that toy. Move!
All right, my onion powder. I have my garlic now.
And you can add as little or as much of that as you want, because it doesn't have salt. Now that does, so, but it's not as much salt as other Cajun mixes.
Ew. I got a heavy hand. I gotta watch myself with that big mouth right there. But razzle dazzle. And the key, you can always add. You can't take away. So I like to taste as I go too. Make sure everything is to perfection.
And what she's adding is sugar.
Sugar. Gotta have the sugar. It's a must. I don't know if all that. Yeah, maybe I will. Alright, I'm just gonna mix it in. Also, you want to pipe your temperature down to medium, kind of. Not really medium, a little bit.
A medium high.
Yeah.
But y'all see how her cabbage cooked now? It was you saw how much she had at first, and now it's cooked down and everything fits in the same pot. Right. It's gonna get even smaller than that.
Right.
And she has all of the meat in there too. So it's gonna wilt and cook down a lot.
Yes, now I'm about to just let
and that was 2 heads of cabbage. Alright, so basically I let the onions and I let the chicken brown, because I don't think I updated y'all. I let the chicken brown, and then once I saw it was brown enough, I added my onions and bell peppers that I cut up. And then that brought like water to the pan, so I let it cook down, and then once it started like sticking a little bit, I added water, and then I added my secret ingredient I told y'all about, the Zydeco Chop Chop. I'm telling you, you gotta get this stuff. If you can't find it at the store, my cousin just told me you can order it online, so do your deal with that. But yeah, so I added some of that, and now this is what it's looking like. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is what it's looking like right now. It looks really light, but it's gonna get darker. So I'm gonna just cover it and just let it cook down, and continue adding more water. Once it cooks down too much, add more water, add more water, add more water until your meat is tender or like how you want it to be.
Yeah,
so this one is looking like.
It's gonna cook down. It'll be finished whenever the turkey necks are falling off the bone.
So I took my cornbread out of the oven and I just buttered it. So this is what it's looking like. This is how you want your cornbread to look. This is going to be some pressure cornbread. And then I'm going to let y'all see what my chicken looking like. It cooked down a lot and it's real tender now. So I just went ahead and added some more water to it. And I'm going to let it cook down again because the cabbage not done. So why not just let it keep. I know you fucked up. So down a little bit. So I just say, why not just let it keep going? So this is what it's looking like. The gravy giving very much brown. Meat giving very much fall off the bone.
Yeah.
So yeah, we probably check back in when it's done. Because this is pretty much it. Like all you're going to do is continue to, with the chicken, continue to add water, let it cook down. Like I said, with the cabbage, you're just going to let it continue to cook down. Alright y'all, so just checking back in so y'all can see the plate. We got the cabbage, the smothered chicken, the cornbread is falling apart. And I don't even need to taste it. Everything is good. That's my brother, that's my cousin. You know they diving in. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and try my food on camera. So I'm gonna try the smothered chicken first. Pressure. Let me see what her cabbage. She was talking too much noise. Tell me about it. Yeah. I'm pretty sure Jesus Christ came down and made that cabbage himself. I'm not lying to ya. I ain't lying. This is so good. I'm about to hurt myself. Hold up. Let me taste the cabbage with the cornbread, though. That's going to be a whole different feel. I'm trying to wait till the video. Oh, Philip. You don't want to be in there? No. I ain't going to say nothing else. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.